All right, back at it. Back at the honey hole. That's what I got. First load back. Today it was storming really bad. So I called and checked in this morning like, hey, are we good to go? And he said that, he was like, hey, nobody's, because most of this stuff's going to job sites. But he said, man, we don't have anything on the books right now. I'll call you if we need you. And so about 9:30 he calls me. He was like, hey man, I got a couple things for you to do if you want it. And I was like, let's do it, man. So got here at 11, but can't beat it, man. 8:50. So I'll work 11 to, I don't know, I'll probably be back here at 3. 1,000 feet of pipe. This is nice and light. Really can't strap it. I'm gonna throw another strap in there and another one in there, but it ain't going anywhere. Yeah. And then after this goes from Euless to Frisco, and then after that I am gonna drive to Denton and pick up I think it's 1 pallet to bring back here. So back at it, man. I like doing these little locals. It helps them out too, because what he told me was, he was like, hey man, if you could help me out with these, because our guys, he's like, they're so far out, like their trucks do all the little shorter, and our trucks do the kind of like the longer ones in the Metroplex. 2 pallets and a strand of pipe. I don't know, it's probably 1,500 pounds. Nice and easy. Just going 30 miles. Let's run it. Gotta keep these road crews going. Okay. All right, I am on drop number 2 now. 2 pallets. I'll be wrapped up for the day. It is 3 o'clock, so not bad. Ran out to Waco, dropped on a job site there, and now I'm running out here. It's crazy, man, to think about it. You know, I'm delivering supplies to jobs to keep them going. All of these job sites pretty much are like road crews and things like that. So yeah, man, just doing my part to keep this stuff going. Now I still have Mike's trailer, he has mine, and he tore his turbo. He thought his turbo was going out, and it actually was the case. It was his turbo.
So it's like the shaft broke in half. That's the exhaust side. And then it looks like the exhaust brake part must have cracked, locked itself up.
He bought a rebuild kit and he's rebuilding it, which is pretty fascinating to me. I should have went that route. I'm happy with this fleece one, but the price point, you know, if you're any kind of mechanically inclined, it's worth it. I think he paid $500 for the rebuild kit, so not bad. Oh man, dude that I'm doing this work for said that the regular guys that do their local stuff, they hate doing loads like this. They complain every single time. I'm like, what? I'll do it. So yeah, man, look how fast those dollars are shooting up. God, that's insane. Yeah, not really too happy about this one, but gotta take the bad with the good. This goes an hour from here. This goes to Abilene. Get in, do my GPS, and down the road, man. Shit. So, what I'm doing this work for, the people are short-handed at another place, so they sent me here, and they put me on a run that's 233 miles. It is windy out here. These things suck. These are little barriers. These are going to Abilene. Just offloaded all of those. So this literally goes to Abilene. This is a huge little job site out here in Gunter, Texas. Crazy thing is, you already know, just washed my truck. And I hand washed it. So yeah, let's write all this in and get on to the next spot. That's what I'll do right here. Abilene, Texas. 4 hours. That's crazy. Let me call these people. Applies for Ferguson Waterworks out in Abilene, Texas, and I'm just trying to touch base and make sure somebody's on the job site. Give me a call, 817-893. All right, I made it out here, Abilene, and gonna offload this. I'm not gonna idle my truck, man. Diesel's so expensive right now. All right, it is another Monday. It's insane because we have been in the 80s the last couple, I don't know, really couple of weeks, really. And we got hit with the front yesterday, man. We had some pretty strong winds. My dad and I went and actually rode our motorcycles yesterday. We were riding through like little dust storms, all kinds of stuff. But so this week's gonna be a short week for me. It is spring break for my daughter, and we wanted to take her to South Padre Island. Family's got, you know, a little condo out there, so yeah, man. Knock out these locals today, tomorrow, and maybe we leave tomorrow. I don't know. Tomorrow after I get off work. That would give us Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Come back Sunday. Yeah. So we'll see. But nothing's really changed. Fuel prices have went up. I did notice that when I am filling my regular truck up, the 32 gallons, I am about $50 higher than it should be. So, but on a 100-gallon tank, that's going to be $200 higher. So instead of a little over 300 to fill up, it's going to be 500. That sucks. But it is what it is. Another start to another week. I did get my truck clean. She does look good when she's cleaned up. She doesn't look like she's coming up on 500,000. Well, so there's been a change of plans. I am not going out of town. I am going to grab a run and go to California. So we're in this to make money. I'll always make a trip the next time. So this video right here is, I'm just behind in videos and I don't want it to go to waste, so I'm gonna put it out anyways. Bye.